Hey guys, Manu here and Bunny. We are heading to the gym today. We thought we hit the gym. Why are you hiding? Where are you going? We got the elevator, so
Number 2.
we are heading to the gym. So here we go. Good morning. How are you? So the elevator would not let us go to the second floor, so we'll have to go out and then turn to the gym. Here is the gym, and somebody's already exercising. Here we go. Bunny's lazy this morning. Bunny's still sleepy. Here we are at the gym. It's not too bad. You guys are just finished working out and heading back to the condo. It's getting warmer. I think we're gonna get something to eat and we might head to the swimming pool today and spend some time on the pool. Right, Bunny? You're gonna show us your bikini today? Yeah. Alright guys, we are taking it easy today. Bunny's got the bag and we are heading to 7-Eleven. Crop? How are you today? Good. All good, alright. Now you're famous in camera now. So we are heading to, where are we heading, Bunny?
7-Eleven.
What are we gonna do there?
We want to buy greens.
Alright,
We're
gonna get
breakfast.
we'll get something to eat after the excruciating workout and exercise routine we did this morning, and head back to the condo, take a shower, eat, and think of what we want to do. It's fantastic weather today, however we might just take it easy and hang around the house today and maybe get out in the evening, go to a cafe or something. We'll see. So streets are still empty. Today is Sunday here in Thailand. The festival was raging last night. Everybody was out on the streets and everybody's getting drunk and eating. So today I think everybody is just sleeping in and taking some rest after the festivities. Anyway, heading to 7-Eleven to get some greens and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, here's 7-Eleven. Do they have better greens or the other 7-Eleven have better greens?
Another one. Tesco have green.
Okay. So we changed the glad change from 7-Eleven to Tesco. So there you have it. Heading that way. They are really all close. Alright guys, here's Bunny trying to dry some towels. Bunny, are you gonna cook for us today?
Yes.
What are you gonna cook for us?
Some green and gill mushroom for you.
Okay, can we watch you while you prepare the meal?
Yes.
Fantastic, let's do it. Well guys, this is our condo, this is the balcony, and this is where we have a little view of the beach from here, but other than that, all good. It's a very nice area, so heading back to the kitchen. All right, so here's Bunny's world. She's in the kitchen and she is preparing stuff. This will be our first meal for the day. We woke up early this morning. We head to the gym. We had a little exercise and have not eaten anything. So we're doing the intermittent fasting and eating twice a day. This is going to be our first meal. So what ingredients do we have, Bunny? We have butter. Can you explain to us as you work?
We add butter on the pan, and I need to cut things.
What is this?
This mushroom.
Oh, that looks nice.
Give it first. How many pieces you want? Just
All of it, all of it.
It's gonna shrink a lot of the heat.
okay.
Can you put some more butter? Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I still shy.
All right, it's a treat today to watch cute Bunny making a meal. She's a good cook.
Oh,
All of it, let's do it.
Smells very nice. Looks great too. That's it. Very nice. Take a look.
Here, guys, we're gonna have our first meal here at the balcony, and Bunny is still working on her meal, and we're gonna eat together. So, bon appetit.